The Citroen C4 Cactus was designed to offer crossover practicality at a knockdown price, but has it succeeded? Well, yes and no. To start, the car's height makes it easy to load, but terraining costs, the flimsy boot floor isn't adjustable. The bottom of the boot opening is tight, and there's lots of exposed metal that still looks a bit utilitarian. Although you only get a bottle of tyre repair for a puncture, there is at least some room under the floor for some small valuables. The boot itself has a nice boxy shape. There's not the same wheel arch intrusion that you get in a Renault Megane, but it's low on features. Just 4 luggage tethers are worthy of note here. The Cactus is smaller than both the Renault Megane and Peugeot 308 in its outright capacity. With 358 litres, it's still okay, and with the rear seats folded, this rises to 1,170 litres. But what do the numbers actually mean? Well, a stroller and soft bags will fit, but the former has to squeeze between the 2 light clusters. Same is true for a set of golf clubs. There is room for 2 large and 2 small suitcases, and the deep boot means they fit neater than they would do in a Renault Megane. The Cactus isn't as flexible as either the Renault though, nor a Peugeot 308, because that rear bench folds all in one and doesn't split. And when you fold it down, you do get a big ridge in the floor. Still, you can fit a bicycle in the boot with both the wheels on. And the Cactus's high roofline mean 2 large boxes will sit on top, along with a couple of medium boxes and 2 soft bags. Though, overall, the capacity is down on what you can get in a 308. Still, the Citroen's rear passenger knee room is more generous than in the Peugeot, and there's room for 2 adults. However, the Cactus's thin body means it feels crushed with 3 people in the back, and the hump in the floor eats into foot room for the middle passenger. Getting a child seat in presents no problems. The Isofix points are easy to access, and so it's dead simple to slide the base in, and the doors open nice and wide, so it's not too difficult to manoeuvre the seat into place. The Cactus is also very impressive when it comes to cubby spaces. Its door bins and top-mounted glove box are huge, and you get 2 cup holders in the front, plus a tray for change. The only letdown is a lack of cup holders in the back, though there are some other useful cubby spaces back there. So overall, the Cactus does suffer from a bit of cost cutting in certain areas, but for a car of this size and price, it's still very practical. If you enjoyed this video, please like it, share it and subscribe to our channel. And if you click over there, you can watch our detailed infotainment, 360-degree passenger ride and full in-depth video review for the Citroen Cactus. Now, did you know that Citroen designed the 2CV before the war, and then when the Nazis invaded France, they actually hid the prototypes in the barn so they wouldn't find them, and then they were unearthed at a later date.